more push.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm
Order
fine going break
canceled.
even there.
Order filled. Order
Got a horrible
submitted.
fill. Still don't like the fact that I got such a bad
Order
fill.
filled.
Yeah, I mean,
Order
what was that, man? I got slipped $50.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Terrible fill.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Not a chance I'm holding this. You're right. You're right there. You're right there. You're right there. You're right there. Little more push. Little more push. Little more push. I swear, if we reverse here, no chance we reverse right here. Not a chance in the world. Not a chance in the world. Not a chance in the world. Right? Not a chance in the world, right? Not a chance in the world. Go on, sellers. I need a push. I need a push right now. 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 I believe in you guys. Oh. Man, this is the toughest thing I've ever done in my life. I need a push bad.
Order filled. Order
I knew it.
canceled.
That's why I held. I had faith. Coming into the day, I was more bearish than I was bullish, but I was kind of neutral. I was kind of waiting. Second, we broke out of this little range right here at like 850. That's when I started really being bearish and looking for shorts. Here's the trade that I took right here. Basically, this entire idea of this trade was we were obviously super bearish. Super huge low right here that we rejected off of previously. We tried to go up higher, but that didn't work. So once I saw a absorption of buyers right here, I entered right after, you see, sellers. I think I actually entered before, but the sellers came in right after to help propel it. And then we're kind of rejecting here a little bit. Didn't put my stop at break even yet. As you see, if I put my stop at break even here, I would have been stopped out. So I had to wait a little bit until we fully, right here, broke it. Then when we went down here, then I finally put my stop at break even. Kind of drifted for a little bit, and then as you see, we tanked down right here. Nice. And then I took my profits at the protection level of the IVB. And that is how I caught the 1 to 3.5 RR trade using order flow.